Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today, we are going to look at how to use custom formatting to hide cell values. Most of the times, we have data. So here we are going to say sample data where there are some numbers or items we really want to hide and we don't want the other person to see it. Normally, what people will do, or even in modeling, sometimes people really want to hide some formulas and hide some helper cells. So normally what they will do is they will select those particular column or cells, go to font, and the font color, they will change it to white. So in this case, you cannot see it. At the moment you change the background of there, you can see that those items are now shown and it is there, though you have changed the font to white. There's a better way of doing this, and that is what we call, or we are going to use the custom formatting to do. So you can see it's showing, you have changed the font to white, you can select it, go to the number tab, launch the format cells, and go to custom. Where we have the custom, the type, we can clear whatever is there, and now enter semicolon thrice, so 1, 2, 3, and we click on OK. So you can see that though we have changed the background, this time you can't see the numbers, and in this way, assuming you wanted to hide the sales figures, then it will not be visible for one to see. In the same way, assuming you wanted to really hide specific cells, you can select, assuming those ones were salaries, or assuming those ones were salaries of specific people or shops you want to hide from the other shop manager or from the other colleague. You can just select those ones and you select the date, other cells you really want to hide. You then go to the number, launch the format cells, go to custom, where we have the type general. We can enter the 3 semicolon starts thrice, 1, 2, 3. Then you can see that those particular cells contents will be hidden. Though it's hidden, when you click on those particular cells, you can see the values in the formula bar. And in this way, you can also print. Note that when you print such an item, the value will not show on the printout. Thank you very much for following us on this channel, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.